I'm Mike Branch, VP of Data and Analytics at Geotab. Today we'll explore how Geotab, leveraging Google Cloud, is transforming fleet management and commercial mobility. Geotab is a global leader in connected transportation solutions. With 25 years of experience and nearly 5 million connected vehicles, we serve over 55,000 customers globally. Powered by Google Cloud, we process over 100 billion data points daily. If you can manage a fleet, cars, vans, heavy trucks, anything, we can help you optimize it using data and AI. For 4 years straight, ABI Research has ranked us the #1 global commercial telematics provider. So, why do customers choose Geotab? Well, we focus on 3 key outcomes. Number 1, reducing collisions, making fleets safer. Number 2, reducing downtime, keeping vehicles operational. And number 3, reducing emissions, driving sustainability. We achieve all of this by turning raw vehicle data into actionable AI-driven insights. That being said, every fleet is unique. Every Geotab customer can drive value from the solutions offered. You can start simple with one use case and grow with Geotab as the opportunities unfold. We often see cumulative value from one simple change, like reducing idling, which saves on fuel costs, reduces wear and tear on the vehicles, and lowers carbon dioxide emissions. Our core platform includes the My Geotab web portal and the Geotab Drive mobile app. These offer immediate value, from simple real-time track and trace to advanced AI features. Our safety center identifies high-risk drivers before incidents occur, and our maintenance center predicts which vehicles might fail, like batteries in vehicles, minimizing breakdowns. You can easily set real-time custom alerts like geofencing notifications or maintenance triggers. The possibilities are truly endless. Now, embedded within My Geotab is Geotab Ace. This is our brand new conversational AI analytics assistant. Powered by Google's Gemini models, Ace puts a data scientist in your back pocket. You can ask simple questions like, "Where's Mike parked?" or complex ones like, "Show me drivers with the highest collision risk," or "Analyze trips to our main distribution center." Ace makes deep insights accessible to your team, everyone on your team, and fast. Now, security and privacy are paramount here at Geotab. We handle sensitive data and meet rigorous standards, including a FedRAMP certified product for US government clients. We're also highly committed to responsible AI, ensuring our AI is transparent, safe, secure, explainable, reliable, and fair. You can read a lot more about this at our website, geotab.com/responsible-AI-commitment. At Geotab, we're truly a data and AI-first organization. Our offices are aligned with dashboards that provide transparency to operations in each area of the business that we operate in. We operate a federated model of data governance where our Center of Excellence works closely with data stewards in each and every part of the organization to produce meaningful insights that ultimately help us produce world-class products for our customers all across the globe. Now, let's delve into the power of AI-driven telematics and have a look under the hood to see how it all works. Now, the key thing to keep in mind is that fleet data does not stay in a silo for our customers, and this telematics data value map that you're seeing here was driven from actual customer input. The universe starts at the center with the telematics data and then maps out to the departments that benefit from the value that's brought. All sorts of departments, from environmental health and safety all the way through to human resources, benefit from telematics data at the center. And to get value from this data, we offer many options. Geotab is an open platform at our heart. We offer multiple ways to access and leverage your data based on your needs. Natively, through My Geotab, Geotab Drive, and Geotab Ace for immediate insights in the UI. Via custom integration, you can use our comprehensive APIs and SDKs to build tailored solutions. Through our marketplace, via partner applications offering extended functionality like driver gamification or insurance integrations. And of course, to enable your enterprise data strategy, you can easily integrate Geotab data into your own systems using our data connector for BI tools or real-time data feeds directly into destinations like Google BigQuery or PubSub. We fit your data strategy, whatever it is. So how do we turn data into insight? Well, we ingest massive amounts of raw data, GPS, accelerometer, engine diagnostics, video. This comes from vehicles through our Go device or our OEM cloud-to-cloud connections. And we use scalable tools like Kafka and Kubernetes on Google Cloud. Data then flows into our Google BigQuery centralized data warehouse. Here, some data is processed in real time using stream processing for immediate alerts like collision detection. But most of our transformations happen via orchestrated pipelines using Cloud Composer. It's running thousands of analytical and AI models every single day, everything from maintenance predictions to risk analysis, taking into account both telematics data and data from line of business systems throughout the organization. Our insights are then delivered to my Geotab for customer consumption. And of course, we've got Geotab Ace, which is an agentic service that uses Google's Gemini via our own GenAI gateway to understand user questions and query BigQuery for the answers. Our data science teams leverage tools like Jupyter Lab on GCP, focusing on areas like safety, sustainability, and generative AI. And internally, we have a strong data governance function that manages lineage, metadata using open source tools like Data Hub and enterprise BI and dashboarding platforms like Apache Superset. This robust, scalable architecture, all on Google Cloud, allows us to deliver powerful insights globally, respecting data residency requirements across the globe. Now, AI has been core to Geotab for so many years. One key example is our predictive collision risk model. Instead of relying on simple, often arbitrarily weighted scores like number of speeding or harsh braking events, we predict the actual probability of a collision. Our model analyzes complex driving patterns, telematics data, video context like following distance, and environmental factors like location, weather, and traffic. We show you your actual risk profile and how you compare to similar fleets. Now, this proactive approach, driven by high-quality data captured smartly at the edge, is really transforming fleet safety. So far, I've talked about our telematics platform for fleets. Now I'm going to walk you through our Altitude line of business. Altitude by Geotab is a software-only analytics platform providing commercial mobility insights for both public and private sector customers, even if you don't operate a fleet. Altitude leverages the world's largest source of high-quality, privacy-compliant commercial vehicle data. Built on Google Cloud, it integrates seamlessly with BigQuery, providing insights vital for planning. Customers in logistics, retail, and government use Altitude for deeper insights than simple traffic counts. We provide data segmented by vehicle type, vocation, fuel type, and industry. This supports critical decisions in real estate site selection, freight parking optimization, EV infrastructure planning, and understanding grid impact. For example, a major travel center chain used Altitude's origin, destination, and stop analytics insights to build a predictive model identifying optimal locations for new fuel stations. This helps them maximize potential volume and profitability. These Altitude insights are available both through our UI or through the API as well. So, how can you access these powerful solutions? Well, both our Fleet Telematics platform and Altitude Mobility Insights are available on the Google Cloud Marketplace. Geotab is the only comprehensive telematics solution on the Google Cloud Marketplace. This offers several key advantages. Number one, simplified procurement, faster buying cycles, and consolidated Google Cloud billing. Number two, you get an optimized budget. Bill against your existing Google Cloud commitments. And of course, number three, trusted performance. Assurance of unparalleled security, intelligence, and integration. Ready to transform your fleet or gain critical mobility insights? Scan the QR codes to visit our marketplace listings. Visit www.geotab.com/Google Cloud or email google@geotab.com for a tailored demo. Thank you.